Hello there guys, beginners shiny project. So you can see this will be the output of our project. Multiply any two numbers easily. You can enter the first number 15, you can enter the second number as 14. You can see the output comes automatically. You can enter the first number as 500, you can enter the second number as 140. You can see the output comes automatically. So guys, this is a shiny project. I'll be explaining the code to you in a bit. This is completely for beginners. So guys, to begin this project, I've already opened my R environment. So we just need to create a new project. So just click on file, then new project. I shall not save that one. Then click on new directory. After clicking on new directory, you can see here the written project type. Just go ahead and click shiny application. You can name your directory. Let me name mine tutorial. This one I'll teach you this once in another day, how to create a git respiratory repository. Then you can just create project. You can open a new session. You can tick here open new session, then create project. Then guys, let's just wait for it to load. So guys, after it has loaded, you can see that RStudio automatically creates an application for us. So you can go through this code, but for me, I'm just going to highlight and clear the whole of this code. Then I shall just paste my code here. You need to install the following packages: the shiny package and the shiny themes. So for this project work, so on this code we have the user interface. The user interface is the part where you interact with your application, with the web app application, with the shiny web app application. So here we have the fluid page. The theme is shiny theme. So guys, shiny has many themes. You can look out the themes in Google. You can search for themes, for shiny themes, and they'll give you many options. So if you want to change another theme to another theme, you can select here. For this project, I shall use the slate theme. So here it's like an HTML part. It's like an HTML part if you're familiar with some web development. So here you can see I've written multiply any two numbers easily. This the title will be the title from my project, and then with this numeric input. So numeric input is where you take in numeric values as inputs. So here we have one. This one is the ID, and this one is the label of a numeric input. And this one value is the constant value that remains on that numeric input. So I have two numeric input, and then verbatim text output. Then its ID is output. So verbatim text output. This one is the output if you want to output a code, an R code, the code that always appears on the console. The code that always appears here. If you want to output it, you can write numeric, you can write verbatim text output. So, and our next section is the server. The server takes the function. This function takes in two variables, input and output. You can see the output $out. So this out, we're referring to this out that we've written here. So it's going to render print out those input $1. So we're just calling the input that we had indicated in the ID here. So you can, this way you see input $1, this input, then multiplied by input $2, these two. So guys, in the server section, this is where the whole process of running the web app takes place. So here you can write your raw R scripts or R codes and they will run. And then we have this function here. Just write shiny app UI server. That's it guys. Then you can click here, run app, in order for you to run the application. Save selected. Just wait for it to load. That is it guys. Thanks for watching.